So many times we have a data which has a date column in the CSV. When we read that data in the CSV format, so you can see here I have a column called date which has the dates. But how can I use it to maybe filter out this data based on the year, date or month? How can I do this? So first you need to convert this column into a Pandas datetime format. You can do this very easily. For example, I'll make a new column which will be a date underscore, maybe I'll write Pandas. So this is a converted date column. You can write pd dot, then you can write to date time, and this function will take your column name which you want to convert. So I'll write data, and then I will extract that column which is date, date, and then it will convert this string of dates into a date time object. You can also give one specific format if you want to give. So in format you can give a specific format. For example, you want first in your CSV, first it is date, then it is a month, then it is a year. So you can give all these things, but I think in this case it will automatically detect and convert the dates into the format. Let's see. So it is converting. Okay, converted. Let's print that. Let's print the data again. Okay, here we have this new converted date. Now you can see this is exactly same look wise, but what new we can do, I'll show you. I can extract the year from this date. So I will select that column, date Pandas, then dot, you have to put dt, then you can again press that and dot, and you can extract something. For example, I will extract the day. Let's see, and I'll run it. You see, from the date I'm just getting day. I can also extract year if you want to do year. See, 1995, 1992, 2024. I can also extract time, but in this way, in this format we don't have time. It is just a date. I can also extract day of the week. What was the day? So 04 day of the week. It is a 4th day of the week. What else I can do? Let's see. Day of the year also you can calculate. See, 125th day of this year. So all this kind of filtering you can do on this object. It's very useful and you should try this.